Xiandao Electronic Technology Company Limited was founded in 2009 in Xi'an, covering 1,800 square meters. With over 80 employees and precision and advanced equipment, it focuses on industrial automation instruments and IoT solutions, such as radar level transmitter, capacitive level meter, magnetic level meter, tuning fork level switch, pressure transmitter, temperature transmitter, flow meter, etc. Its high-tech, reliable products like level and pressure meters are used in petrochemical, coal chemical, metallurgy, etc. Exported to Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Russia, Central Africa, South Africa and more, the company also holds over 100 patents and multiple certifications, showing its strong market presence. We are looking forward to the win-win cooperation and mutual development with you.